how to redeem Truist credit card rewards. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem your Truist credit card rewards online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you simply have to click on first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here you simply have to log in with your credential and once logged in you simply have to find your credit card account in the list on your dashboard and there you simply have to click on it to open your account details and inside you just have to look for the rewards or redeem rewards link and this will take you to Truist Reward Center where you can see the available points balance. Now from there you can choose how you want to use your point like travel bookings, gift cards, merchandise or even cashback credited to your account. So there, simply select your preferred option and confirm the details and submit your redemption request. And after that, you will see a confirmation screen once it's successful. And that's it. That's how you can redeem your Truist credit card rewards. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.